So here are the three best things about this digital microscope. First, it combines a digital microscope and a precision scale in one device, making it especially useful for coin collectors, jewelry enthusiasts, and anybody who wants to inspect and weigh items at the same time. Second, the large 4.3-inch screen makes viewing tiny details much easier than using a traditional magnifying glass or jewelry's loop, helping reduce eye strain, especially during longer sessions, right? And third, it lets you capture photos and videos of what you're seeing, which makes it easy to document collections, share discoveries, or create content directly from, the microscope. So, if you collect coins, inspect jewelry, or, you enjoy exploring small details in any way, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.